Hello, listeners. Hi, my name is Madhavi, and I'm so happy to have you on Upptalk. You have come to the right place if you want to learn about IT and do really cool things with your hands. We are not just another IT company when I say Upptalk. Think of us as your learning partner dedicated to helping you reach your full potential. We have top notch hands on courses to help you build your business, whether you are new to technology or want to move up in your current job. Let's look around this as our first step towards learning.
Now here in this kind of a configuration, what we are going to do here. First we need to install, for example, in authentication. We don't have in authentication. We don't have a like a ping access cannot do the authentication. You need a ping federate to complete the authentication basically. We need a OAuth services inside a ping federate to do that now here in this kind of a configuration. Basically, first, we need to install the ping federate. Next, we need to install the ping access. I think ping federate is we already installed it. We need to install the ping access and we need to have the license key and all. But before the ping federate, before we install the ping access and all, the Java is the most important part. We need to install the Java and all basically. We already installed the Java. We can use the same thing. Maybe two. In order to confirm that, maybe you can go to the command prompt and then you can put Java space version. Now I think I can put it in the command prompt. Can you open the command prompt? Java space version. Oh, is it not there? That's weird. Put Java space, I found version. Java space, I found version we can put. Let's try to enter. It's already there. I think this is fine. We already have the Java version set up ready. Now what we are going to do here, let's go ahead and download the ping access and all. Can you go to the Chrome browser? Ping access download. Click on the first link itself. Now what we try to do now here, in the top hand side corner, there is a sign on. Just click on the sign on. Now here in the bottom, sign on to the support portal. We already have the code. Good. Let it get sign on. It will redirect you to the some page. Here in this one. First, let's download the license keys. Click on the Manage License Keys in the hand side. Yes, because we need a ping access license key also. Let it get load. If you scroll down to the bottom, let's download the no. We can create a new one. There is another slide in the hand side. You can slide down that one. I'm sorry, where do you want me to go? No, there is another slide button in the hand side to corner. No, hand side, not on the left in the year. To go to the hand side, there is a slide button drop down. Just scroll down. No, that's scroll down another term. There is one more scroll down in the too far in the screen. Yes, that one. Create a free license key here. And I think we need to renew the license key for your PingFAD also. PingFAD, you can do that. First, let's choose the PingFAD product. No, you need to choose it. Select the product PingFAD, accept the terms and condition and submit. But can't I just renew the PingFAD license? That's what I've been doing on that one. Oh, you already did it. No, I haven't done it recently. But you know what? Let me just check. If PingFAD is, I can understand. That will console the URL line number 26. I just renewed it. Oh, the service is down. Can you check the service in your start menu bottom? Check the services. PingFAD should be available. Oh, it's not running. Can you start it in the left-hand side? I think, we changed that. We are using clustering. Let's start both. That's fine. I think let's log in, refresh this page. In the meantime, can we download this one? Yes, let's download the license key, also PingAccess, and then accept the terms and conditions, submit. That's a checkbox to submit. Maybe for the time being also, you can choose the PingFAD rate. We can do both, create another license key and choose the PingFAD now, MEM. Let's go back to the services. Let's see whether it stopped again or not. It's running. It's running only. Oh, that's weird. It's taking a lot of time. Is there a way to look at the logs or something? We can do that. Can you go back to the PingFAD rate? I think it should be there in the C drive, I think. Go to that program files. Ping identity should be available. Here in Ping identity, PingFAD rate, the first folder, the log folder. In the log, can you open that server? .log the new one. Or maybe you can click on the date modified. If you click on that one, a dot open that go to the last line. We can see what's going on there. Scroll down to the bottom. Wait. Oh, is that change in the IP address? I think that there is some change in the IP address, it seems. Oh, that's weird. Put IP config. Let's see. 69. That's weird. Can you go back to the notepad notepad in the logs? I think it was mentioned as a different IP. I think it was 20 states. How come it got changed? It's weird. We got 20. I think something got changed in the mission. I think maybe. Let's do one thing. Let's do the standalone. Let's go back and change the PingFAD rate into standalone because your IP got changed. Maybe can you go back to the folder? The folder which we are having it one step back here. Now here open the ping faded only in the bin folder in the top. In the run property, if you remember, we changed the cluster mode and all. In the run property file, click edit with Notepad++. No, you can click on that one. Click edit with Notepad++. Now here just search for pfop Ctrl F. You can put Ctrl F and search for FOP. OPO means operational mode. Next. Here, maybe we can change that into a standalone mode. You can close this one. I think it came. See, maybe we can change it into standalone. You can just copy that standalone and paste it here. No, only standalone. You are doing that. Come on that first line. Put the @ symbol. It will work. Save it. Now, once you save this, you need to open in orbit mode. No. Yes, you can put yes. It will open automatically. Now control again. Save it. I think it should work now. No, you can close it. This is fine. Control. Just put control. Save it. No, I just want to make sure that the change that we had put in took effect. It's already reflected, but you need to save it. Oh, that's all. You can close this one. That's fine. Now let's restart that. Go back to the services. We'll go and restart only. You can stop the engine. Oh, what is that? That's weird. Why it is running and it is showing start? Oh, maybe you can close it and open it again, please. Oh, it's not running. Let's start only ping-fed. That's fine. It will work now. I think somehow the IP address got changed. So one minute. Can you go back to the... Now we have a user ID. Download PingAccess. Just type download PingAccess. Now we are already logged in here. From the managed license piece we have downloaded. We just said create new license key. We created it. This is the first one, that is the PingFed one. And then a PingAccess. You already downloaded or you need to download yet. I just downloaded the... I think it should be there in the downloads. I think... This is the PingFed. Oh, we need to download the PingAccess also. Can you go back here? In the store to the top. I think it should be there in the number 2. See PingAccess View Download. No, you can click on View and download it. No, cancel it. Yes? Click on View Download. This is fine. Now can you open another tab? Just type PingAccess Download again because we logged in now. PingAccess Download. Click on the first link. Now here in the Windows installer, you must say, you can download it. Here, if you remember, in PingFedit also, we were using the engine and as well as the admin console. Similarly, here also engine and admin console will be available. The admin console will be 999. 9000 is the port number in PingFed rate. The admin console is 9999. In PingAccess, the admin console is 9000. Getting my point? I'm just making a note while we are talking. Yes. The port number for PingAccess is 9000. PingFed rate is 9999. Just double click on the PingAccess. Let's install it. No, you can ignore this warning. This is fine. We can use the standalone. This is fine. We will do it later, that clustering part, the last class. We will do that. 9000 is turbine port and also we need to have an agent port. Agent means the agent installation and all the working capability will done on the 3030 only. Click on next. Even 3000 also will work but 3030 is fine. What is the agent protocol? Port agent means we were discussing about PingAccess agent protocol. Instead of reverse proxy model, it should have to. The agent will process your request to will process, will create a request and send it to PingAccess, and then once the PingAccess process the token, it will send back the result to the PingAccess agent. Only then the agent inside the application will show the login, will show the whatever the login will do. This is where the agent installed on the application communication to PingAccess. PingAccess, then PingAccess will communicate to the PingFederate. Like for example, reverse proxy means based on the URL you are redirecting to PingAccess. PingAccess will redirect to PingFederate for authentication and all. But here, in this one, you are not going to use the URL redirection. You are going to use the normal URL, but inside the server, you will have an agent. That agent will be redirecting you to the PingAccess server. That is what we are installing now. And then PingAccess will process, and then I will send a request to the Ping Federate for authentication. In a reverse proxy, normally it will redirect just a URL redirection. Nothing is there, just if you are trying to access user-facing URL or maybe even PingAccess URL, if you try to access it, it will automatically redirect. See, that is what the first case about we discussed it, but in the agent model. You are trying to access the whole, where is the application, who is hosting the resources and all. That particular application, you are accessing it the way you are installing that agent. That server and your server will be travel on the 3030 port number. Got it, got it. Click on next. You can install it in the same drive, that's fine. Click on next. That's all installed. Do you use PingAccess quite a lot in your company? No, not that much. I mean, as I already mentioned, we were having nearly 5,000 applications. In that for PingAccess, we are using maybe 40 to 60, that's all. Oh really? Most of them are for authentication only, and then you use PingAccess for a small little bit for reverse proxy, which I mentioned. I mean, if you remember the same thing which we discussed in the reference ID adapter and all we did. Reference ID open token and all. If you don't want to use that, then you can use the PingAccess. Got it. But for the reverse proxy, you guys don't use Apache, you use PingAccess. Reverse proxy, obviously this one. This is a reverse proxy. We are using PingAccess only. Most of all our applications are nearly about, I think 45 applications are 35 applications are reverse proxy only from our side. Reverse proxy with authentication plus authorization and all, even only 5 to 10 applications are reverse proxy only with there is no authentication. Just they need a redirection only. The 89 model it's a rare case on. The most famous one is the gateway model. I see. And it's easy. Also, gateway model, you don't need any dependencies, nothing is there. Now, if you see that, just click on that URL, that is your logo. That's fine. Now the admin console link for what you can say. The admin console link for your ping accesses. You can open another tab. I think you have that ping federate admin console URL. Just we need the host name of that one. Only you can copy that up to just paste it. Removed it. 9999 also. You can remove it because it is only 9,000. /in. That's all. You can bookmark this page. Advanced proceed. Now we can choose the license key. I think we did in the first one. That's all. Now what we can do here in this one. We don't have an account, but we need to log in with, since it is connecting with the Ping Federate. Use administrator here. Password should be default password only. Put administrator. Then password should be to access action. To in number 2. Number 2 access in uppercase. Others are not lowercase. sign on, and then you can able to accept the terms and condition. Continue. That's all. You can put the current password as to access, and you can put your own password. That's all. This is the console where we have configured it. Now what we need to do basically here, we need to establish a communication between your ping federate and then the PingAccess. That is the first step you need to do after installing the PingAccess. That, like if you remember, we have installed the ping directory. After installing the ping directory, we establish the communication between the ping federate to ping directory. Similarly, for ping federate to PingAccess, you need to configure the ping federate inside the PingAccess. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us sales@therightuptalk.com.